Most people don't know this. Here is a simple explanation no one gives. Between 100,000 to 500,000. This matters to you. Welcome to LFM Global. Here, I help you secure your future through simple, clear insurance education and inspire your lifestyle with premium fashion accessories. No confusion, no big grammar, just expert guidance. If you want to protect what matters and grow confidently, you are in the right place. Subscribe and let's secure your future, one smart decision at a time. Ever wondered what insurance really is? Think of insurance as a safety net that protects your money when life brings unexpected problems. You pay a small amount called a premium, and in return, your insurer promises to cover big financial risks like accidents, health issue, property damage, or even the future of your loved ones. Insurance doesn't stop bad things from happening, but it makes sure you don't carry the financial burden alone. It's simply transferring risk from you to a company that is built to handle it. Insurance gives you peace of mind, financial security, and a future you can plan with confidence. This is why insurance matters. Imagine a beautiful baby, small, fragile, innocent, full of promise. When you look at a baby, you realize this child depends completely on you for food, for shelter, for safety, and for the future. This is where the real meaning of insurance begins. Insurance is not papers or payments. It is love. Love strong enough to protect a child even when you can't be there. Doesn't know what school fees are. He doesn't understand bills. He doesn't know life can change suddenly. All he knows is that he is safe with you. People say love is feeding the baby, buying clothes, taking pictures. But true love is deeper. True love prepares. True love plans ahead. Insurance matters because life is unpredictable. One event can affect everything. Insurance ensures your child's world stays stable, even when yours shakes. Your baby deserves uninterrupted education. Insurance guarantees school fees, even if life interrupts your ability to provide. Insurance is the only gift that protects your baby, even in your absence. No one prays for the worst, but a wise parent prepares. Two parents love their babies equally, but one prepared the future and one didn't. Same love, different outcome. Insurance is love that grows. Small contribution becomes big protection. Little savings turn into lifelong security. That tiny hand is trusting you with tomorrow, and your decisions today shape that tomorrow. Insurance is not fear. It is love. It is wisdom. It is choosing stability over uncertainty, security over struggle, future over chance. Protect the baby you love, because real love prepares ahead. Protect your future. Learn more in the next video and subscribe. Bye.